Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So today I'm going to do a little quick unboxing here or opening of this parcel I got from Yedharo Miniatures, I think it is. I'll pop it in the description anyway. They have a pretty crazy range of orcs and some dwarves as well. And I'll show you. These actually are some of the most expensive miniatures I think I've ever actually bought. And that's including Games Workshop. So I obviously took off my dress first because I didn't want to get killed by people on the internet. Okay, so wait, okay, this seems like one of the things I got. There must be more coming in the post. So yeah, Yedharo Models, Savage Orc Warband. Okay, maybe there's more in this altogether. Let me see. I think I ordered a big kind of war boss looking guy and some smaller orcs. Okay, so they're resin obviously here. You can see this seems to be the smallest one. Now these look crazy on their website. They look really highly detailed. Like these things are like something I might actually put some proper time into painting. Let me see. That looks pretty good. She looks like kind of a female, kind of female caster. I wonder what kind of resin it is. Slightly flexible, but I'm not going to go pulling out of it. A little bit of assembly here. Really, yeah, that's strange. I wasn't expecting it to be slightly flexible like that. Let me see if I can get like a really nice focused shot. Like that looks pretty crisp to me. Slight bit of mold line there I'm going to have to deal with. Or it's so slight that I might get around just putting a little bit heavier bit of paint on it. Maybe that's blasphemy, but hey, look. That's how I do it. Some kind of screaming skull here. So this is an orc sorceress or something similar. See if I can get a nice shot of her face. So I think the channel I first saw these on YouTube were, is it absurdities in miniature. Anyway, look, I'll pop up a link to it now because I can't remember the exact name, and he shows a load of cool different minis from different companies. So we've got some bases here. That's cool. So this guy, that's the big guy, so I'll keep him to last. I'll look at these chunky orcs. This is really why I wanted these guys. They're just their proportions, and that are probably the closest thing I've seen to like a Warcraft or a WoW or a World of Warcraft orc in miniature. Like that's pretty crisp, right? Let me see. Wow, that is pretty crisp. Jesus. That is serious, actually. I don't think I've ever seen. Is there texture in the skin? Will it even focus that much? Yeah, I think there is. Fuck, that's serious. Okay, that's nasty mold line there. Well, maybe not. Okay, it's not too deep. But apart from that, they're not really that bad. They're slightly dusty or something. Must be like whatever they use to release from the mold. But that is really, Jesus. That is lovely. Lovely. I don't know if that's the correct term to use for an orc, but yeah, just crazy nice crisp detail on them. These guys deserve some time put into them, I think, painting wise. And I've ideas for bases and stuff, but the more kind of I think about them, the more it's just take longer to finish them then, but they're that cool though, you know. Okay, look at that, it's awesome. He looks like, what's your man, Azog, is it? From The Hobbit. That is class. That's like that looks like me without a top on, but obviously I've got arms. But look at that. He's got some kind of predator weird fangs as well that are slightly different design than I've seen to any other orc or orcoid or whatever you call them. They're seriously chunky though. So this guy's got a big two-hander. The weapons are a bit goofy, but even the weapons themselves kind of remind me of Warcraft or or wow, like I was saying, the kind of over the top chunkiness, slightly cartoony. Maybe I won't show all these smaller orcs, but well, I say smaller, but these guys are huge. Oh, that's awesome. The thing is, the sculpts are so good that you'd probably get away with like pretty subpar paint job, or maybe not subpar, but quick paint job. We'll say quick, and they'd look absolutely awesome because it's such nice detail to pick up on with dry brushes and washes and, you know, simple techniques, nothing too mad. That's cool, man. They're all kind of scarred up as well. That's a nasty mold line there. That's a bad one. Probably the worst one I've seen. But look, that's not actually, they're not too unsalvageable. Yeah, look at that. Like, that's straight out of a heroic dungeon or something from BC or something, isn't it? Huge, just chunky arms. Dual wielding shaman. That's what that is. Let's see. Let's go finish up with this guy because I don't want to do too long of a video because I don't know. People go on. Okay, this guy is the boss. I'm not losing any bits. I'm not getting any mixed up, I don't think. He's got his legs here. Nice skull of an animal and some human skulls. Absolutely chunky, big chunky eye. Now this guy is straight up like Warcraft, war boss kind of looking guy. See if he takes a little bit of flash off. Yeah, and he's all scarred up. He's like that guy from Black Panther. That's awesome. Even his face there. That's class. Little pointy ears. Really cool. Now these are a different price range of minis that I usually buy. These are higher, as you can imagine. Like, I think this guy by himself he could have been like even €19, 15 or €19, something like that. So when you're used to buying toys, really cheap toys, and using them, that's a big ask. But these guys just look so awesome. And to be fair, I probably have enough orcs and goblins already, but this guy's got end boss written all over him, you know what I mean? Bone bracers, that is cool. That's really cool. I think that's it. Yeah, okay, pretty happy with that. I'm looking forward to kind of getting them put together, fixed up, ready for paint, I think. And then seeing how, oh wow, that's a serious job there putting that one together. I'd say this is cool bone armor. Anyway, yeah, getting them put together and get some paint on them. Some cool bases, I think, as well. Something a bit scenic. Probably use these bases. Probably be fine. That one's a bit snug maybe, but yeah, nice cool warband there. And I don't know if I'll use them for anything eventually, but they're just so cool. I just get some paint on them and take my time and do a good job. Anyway, guys, that's it. I wanted to got that in the post there today, and I said I'd do a quick video to open it up and show you before I go mad on them. But yeah, that's it. I'll put together a new video, I suppose, once I have something to do, or have something interesting, something that I think is interesting done, to show it to you and see what you think. Cool, guys. Catch you then.